Now, what is their most common tool to lure or to recruit a young boy or a young girl online? We've broken these down in a few different things, a few different categories, if you will. The affection lure, or the boyfriend avenue, if you will. Most victims of abuse, they're groomed, and we use the words groomed and recruited and lured kind of all intermingled. But over a period of weeks or months, or sometimes even years, a predator will groom their victim. They will knowingly manipulate their feelings and their thoughts, responding to the things that this young girl has posted online and almost identifying with them, identifying with their hurt, their pain, or their circumstance. The affection lure is used online, but it's also used face-to-face with those that are unsuspecting, those that are naive. Child molesters have repeatedly said to us, when there's a physically or emotionally absent parent in the picture, it makes that child way more vulnerable than ever before, than any other child. Physically or an emotionally absent parent opens the door for a predator to easily walk through. So who do they target? Who does that boyfriend, that Romeo pimp, how do they use that affection lure? But then who do they target? They target an individual, a young boy or a young girl with a low self-esteem. Maybe there's a little dysfunction in the home life, a disrupted family situation, a runaway or a missing kid. You know, we've said it time and time again that when we have a runaway, when there is a runaway, that individual is either running from something or running to something. And within the first 48 hours, that individual is the most vulnerable. Because we know statistically within those first 48 hours that 75% of those kids that are on the street as a runaway or a missing kid are approached by a pimp or a trafficker during that time. In the first 48 hours, you see, because they're predators, they're hunters. They know where to look and they know how to find and they know how to approach. Also, they target those who are sexually active and communicate and are open about it, whether that be online or in a private conversation.
For more information about how you, your business, or your community can be empowered to recognize and report human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors, or how you can protect the kids in your life against victimization, visit us at americaunchained.org. The America Unchained Project, empowering everyone to take their place in the fight against human trafficking and the sexual exploitation of minors.